What's up, guys? Today I'm going through all our foam cannon kits, starting with the Xtreme Foam Kit. We're going to get into all the details starting right now. Alright, the Xtreme Foam Kit. Super great option for anybody looking to get thick foam easily, plug and play on any power washer. Super good value too. We have a couple of options on sizes. This kit comes with our most popular wash, which is Liquid X. You can select either the 32-ounce size or the 1 gallon size, and this stuff goes a long way, so you don't need much of it. This alone, even the smaller size, can get you, people tell me, 20 washes easily on a big rig when it's bobtailed. So this is a great value and a great start. Comes with the nicest microfiber mitt that we can offer, and so this is a very great start for anybody, and definitely this is the best foam cannon on the market as far as this style goes. You can twist your pattern horizontally or vertically if you want. You can reach about 20 feet with the foam if you open up the pattern wide, and it's fully adjustable here as far as how fast it draws. Great option, check it out. And on to the next kit. So this is the Snub Gun Kit. Good value still, same stuff as the previous kit. However, this one includes the squeeze trigger with the quick disconnect right here, so your wand goes right here, your nozzle. And a lot of people like to use these with just the nozzle right here because it's like nice, easy, one-handed operation. And also this comes with our Mosmatic DGV inline swivel, which always turns this easily even under pressure. Super durable, lasts forever, no issues. So this is a good value for this kit as well, and I would highly recommend it. Next kit is the Touchless Foam Cannon Kit. This one has probably been our biggest mover. It does deliver, it gets great touchless results. And it comes with a gallon of M-Shine and a gallon of Redline. Both of these cut about 3 or 4 to 1 if you're gonna put them full into the foamers. So they make about a 5-gallon pail each of material to put in your foam cannons to wash with. What makes this unique is that we have our 3-way valve. Of course, these can be used independently if you want, but together they're super easy. It does not come with the gun, however, it would hook up right here, just like this. You don't want your lance on this. If it's going to be used on the end of a lance, it's too heavy. If you put it right here, it's super easy. That's why we include the disconnects that go right on your gun here, and also the side for your lance you have. So you just pipe these right onto the stuff you have, and you're rocking and rolling just like this. Also comes with a funnel, just because it's kind of hard to get the soaps into there. All right, next kit. Boom, now we're getting into the big leagues. These are made by Suttner. They're the most efficient foam cannon for the least amount of cost that we offer. So this silencer kit is basically the injector that goes on the outlet of your power washer, the tubing that goes straight into your soap. This chops the soaps for you at exactly the strength you want. We ship them out at 100 to 1 dilution, which is perfect for Liquid X, which also comes with this kit along with the mitt. So all you have to do is stick this in here and go. And if you want to foam, you pop this on exactly where the nozzle goes at the end of your power washer lance. You can use this kind of disconnect here too. This gun does not come with this kit, but you can plug it right onto the one you have, and then you're going. Kind of looks like a silencer, that's why we named it a silencer. But this can go at the end of your lance as well. This would be a very common layout in the power washing world. So if you wanted, you can take the nozzle off that you would normally have here, pop this on, and that will turn on this. So you don't have to go back to the machine or do anything to turn this on or off. You just put this on, this goes. You put your rinse nozzle back on, you're back to rinsing. So very efficient, no refills, super fun, makes the best foam possible, and great value. On to the next one. All right, now this is getting serious. Same foam nozzle as before on the last kit with the silencer. However, this, the Big Easy kit, comes with the gun, the high pressure inline swivel, this injector, this mitt, this gallon of Liquid X. And instead of having to disconnect anything or change anything, all you have to do is hold up the side that you want to spray out of. This is your rinse nozzle, your high pressure normal power washer nozzle. When you go to squeeze this trigger in, boom, you're rinsing. If you want a foam, you just twist this so that the foam nozzle's higher. There's a ball bearing in here that will drop to block whatever pipe is lower. So once you squeeze this trigger, bam, you're foaming. So nothing to disconnect, and this is way better for high use situations where you've got a ton of different people coming in and using the wash bay and nobody can be trusted and everybody's brutal on everything. This is also nice because every stainless steel pipe that we use here are rolled threads, not cut threads. And what that means is that the wall of the pipe is not compromised by a rolled thread. So you can actually run this over multiple times. I've seen it a million times where the lance is coming out at like this kind of an angle because it's gotten run over 2 or 3 times. Same thing over here. Still works, which is good because that minimizes downtime. So we build these out of the best parts and pieces we can. Super good value, and I would highly recommend it. Another variant, foaming boar's hair bristle brush. Best brush you can possibly get in the world. Very soft bristles, very unlikely to scratch anything. And all you do is hook this up where the nozzle would normally go on your power washer lance. You squeeze the trigger and foam comes gushing out. Liquid X foam from this thing. Super, super cool. A lot of fun. People love these things. And definitely saves a lot of time because Liquid X needs to be wiped around on the surface of the vehicle for it to be able to remove the road film and leave that good finish. This applies it and wipes it at the same time. When you're done, unhook it, put your nozzle back in, rinse it, done. No water spots, beads for like a month. Awesome. All right, now we're getting into the crazy professional level stuff. This is the real deal kit. This is the ultimate. This is it. So this is the injector for touchless washing. All you have to do is switch this lever back or forth to aim at either the red tube for your second step or the blue one for your first step. Everything's color coordinated, so no reading necessary. We just made it as easy as possible. We do modify these valves a little bit to reflect the blue and the red colors on every point so that it's all super clean and clear. And the lance is similar to the Big Easy kit, but this one has the upgraded ST2715 from Suttner. This is a fully stainless steel gun. It's pretty much the best one we can possibly source. Another thing that I didn't mention on the last kit too is that this is a swiveling disconnect, so it always spins under pressure. It's super nice for getting in the wheel wells or up underneath the undercarriage. Same thing here, high pressure swivel here. So very fluid, very easy to move, and very efficient. So we also build these to cut at 100:1 to chop these perfectly, and that's about 4 to 5 times slower draw rate than a normal power washer injector would be. So very cost effective and chops soap usage down like crazy. So awesome kit. Comes with the jumper hose to get from the outlet of your power washer into this valve, and then you hook up your normal hose right here. You hook up the other end of your normal hose right here, and you are done, and you're foaming. So very cool kit, very streamlined. 4 gallons total comes with this kit, and that's it.